Oh my gosh. Look at her butt. Look at.
This dude named Michael used to ride motorcycles. Dick bigger than a tower. I ain't talking about Eiffels. Real country ass nigga, let me play with his rifle. Pussy put his ass to sleep. Now we calling me Nyquil. Now that bang bang bang.
Stop, drop, and roll. Do that. Do it like a pro. Do that. Stop, drop, and roll.